Yeah, apparently the computer been repaired, but still have doesn't cranks, but doesn't fire up. So yeah, let's go over there. Connection on. Now in the crank angle sensor signal, it's disconnected this bit. Got 270 k ohms. Not sure what's going on. So my colleagues had to wiggle the and set wiring ring before the sensor. Yeah, change it. Yeah, 2 k ohms now. Alright, now it's ignition off, 0 volt. Ignition on. Yeah, it's 1.100 millivolts. So which is okay. Okay. So the sensor going to unplug. Yeah, it's unplugged. 2.4 volts.
There you go.
I've got a brand new crank angle sensor here. Just gonna pull it back in. Just gonna plug it in. See how. Yeah, plug in the new sensor. So this has been disconnected. So I got about 1.9 k ohms. Plug back in here. This one push in. I got about 1.8 k ohms. Yeah, this Subaru's been fine since a crank angle sensor fitted. So okay.